students, accounting for share capital. In this chapter we have been discussing about how company will issue shares at par. So in this video, let's look into how companies will issue shares at a premium. When the issue price of the shares is more than its nominal value, it is termed as issue of shares at premium. Remember students, the premium money is always collected in the allotment stage itself. We know that the first stage or the first installment is application, the second one being allotment, and the third one is for calls. So whenever the shares are being issued at a premium, the premium money is always collected in the allotment stage itself. Let's look into the journal entries when the allotment money is due including premium. Share allotment account debit to share capital account to securities premium account. The security premium amount, the excess of money is being credited because the amount that is being received is a gain for the business. The second journal entry is for the allotment money received including premium, bank account debit to share allotment account. Let's work out this problem. Krishna Company Limited issued 10,000 shares of rupees 100 each at a premium of rupees 10 per share. The amount was payable as follows. On application rupees 20 per share, on allotment rupees 40 per share including premium, on first and final call rupees 50. All the shares were subscribed and the amount was duly received. Pass the necessary journal entries. So from the question we understand that the company has issued 10,000 shares of rupees 100 each at a premium of rupees 10 per share. So first and foremost we need to identify whether the company has issued the share at a par or a premium. For that we know that the nominal value or the face value is rupees 100. If I take the total of all the three installments, 20 plus 40 plus 50, the total is going to be 110 rupees. That means the share is being issued more than its face value. I can say the shares are being issued at a premium. Further, the question also says that on application rupees 20 per share, on allotment 40 per share including premium. So what is this including premium? We know from the question the shares are being issued at a premium of rupees 10 per share. That means in this 40 rupees, 10 rupees is included. So we can consider like this. 10 rupees is the premium amount, 30 rupees is the actual allotment amount. So when we are adding the premium and the allotment amount, it is going to be 40 rupees as stated in the question. On first and final call rupees 50. However, all the shares are being subscribed. How many shares are being issued? 10,000 shares, and these shares are being subscribed in the form of application, allotment, first and final call. And the money was duly received, meaning to say in the application we receive the money. During allotment stage, including premium, we will receive the money. In the stage of first and final call, we also receive the money. So that means the amount was duly received on application, allotment and first and final call. Let's pass the journal entries. In the books of Krishna Company Limited, the format of journal, the first journal entry is bank account debit to share application account being share application money received. So we know that the company has issued 10,000 shares. On application, 20 rupees is being allotted. So the money that is being debited and credited is 2 lakh. Now the same application money we need to transfer it to share capital account. The journal entry is share application account debit to share capital account. 10,000 shares which are being issued. The application money is 20 rupees. The money being debited and credited is 2 lakh. Let's pass the third important journal entry where there is premium money which is being included. What is the premium money? It is 10 rupees which is included in the allotment money. So let's pass the journal entry. Share allotment account debit to security premium account to share capital account where the allotment money is due including premium. Share allotment account debit, it is 40 rupees. So therefore 10,000 into 40 amount is 4 lakh. Security premium amount is 10 rupees. So on 10,000 shares of rupees 10 each, which is the premium money, the amount which is credited is rupees 1 lakh. To share capital account. So if I reduce from 40 minus 10 rupees, it is going to be 30. So therefore 10,000 shares of rupees 30 each is being credited to share capital account rupees 3 lakh. So money is due including premium which is rupees 4 lakh. Both debit and as well as credit entry is equal, 4 lakh on both the sides. Let's pass the fourth journal entry where the allotment money is received including the premium. So bank account debit to share allotment account. What is the share allotment account money? It is 4 lakh. So therefore it is 4 lakh which is being received through bank account. Let's pass the next journal entry, that is on first and final call. So share first and final call account debit to share capital account 10,000 shares of rupees 50 each, amount being debited and credited is rupees 5 lakh. The money is still due. On receiving the money on first and final call, the journal entry is bank account debit to share first and final call account on 10,000 shares of rupees 50 each, 5 lakh is being debited and credited. Students, do remember when you are passing the journal entry for premium where the money is due, 2 marks is being allotted. The rest of the journal entry will carry 1 mark each. So here you have the assignment question which you need to work out in your notes. Moving ahead, let's look into this question. X Company Limited issued 5,000 shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 2 per share. The amount was payable as follows: rupees 2 on application, rupees 5 on allotment including premium, rupees 5 on first and final call. All the shares were subscribed and the money fully received except the first and final call money on 700 shares pass the journal entries. So X company has issued 5,000 shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 2 per share. Now we need to identify whether the share is being issued at a par or premium. It is very much clear in the question, it is issued at a premium. But let's do the calculation. The nominal value or the face value is rupees 10. Let us add the application money, allotment money and first and final call money will get 12 rupees. That means the shares are being issued more than its face value. On application 2 rupees, on allotment 5 rupees which includes a premium amount. The premium amount is 2 rupees. So the actual allotment amount is 3 rupees. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Rupees 5 on first and final call as per the question. All the shares were subscribed. So how many shares are being issued? 5,000 shares which are being issued are now being subscribed in the form of application, allotment, first and final call. Money fully received. accept the first and final call money on 700 shares. So let's look into this part of it. Money received on application? Yes. Money received on allotment? Yes, including the premium. Money received on first and final call? No, except for the call money on 700 shares. So how many shares are being issued? 5,000 shares which are being issued, out of which for 700 shares we are not receiving the money. So let's find out the value of number of shares, which is 4,300. Journal entries in the books of X Company Limited, the format of journal, bank account debit to share application account, 5,000 shares which are being issued at 2 rupees. The money that is being debited and credited is 10,000. For the application money being transferred to share capital account, share application account debit to share capital account, 5,000 shares of rupees 2 each, 10,000 is being debited and credited. Let's pass the third journal entry where the allotment includes the premium amount. Premium is 2 rupees. Allotment is 5 rupees. The journal entry. Share allotment account debit to securities premium account to share capital account. On allotment, 5 rupees for 5,000 shares. The money that is debited is 25,000. To security premium, on 5,000 shares, rupees 2 is being allotted for premium. So the amount which is credited is 10,000. On share capital, very simple. 5 minus 2 is 3. So 3 into 5,000 shares, the amount that is credited is 15,000. So if you just take the total on both the sides, you will get 25,000, where the money is still due including the premium amount. Let's look into the fourth journal entry where bank account debit to share allotment account being share allotment money received. The number of shares being issued is 5,000. On allotment it is 5 rupees, including premium we are going to receive the money. So 5,000 into 5 is 25,000. Or straight away you can connect it like this. What is being debited, the same amount will be credited. Hence 25,000 is written on both debit and in credit amount column. The next set of journal entries, that is for first and final call, share allotment first and final call account debit to share capital account being share first and final call money is due. So 5,000 shares of rupees 5 each, 25,000 being debited and credited. Now we know that from the question, on first and final call money, we haven't received money for 700 shares. Then in that case, what do we need to do? The journal entry will be bank account debit to share first and final call account being share first and final call money received. So for how many number of shares we are going to receive the money? Look into this. 5,000 shares minus 700 shares, it's going to be 4,300 into 5 rupees as mentioned on first and final call. So hence the money that is being debited and credited is 21,500. So remember students, in this particular question, there are two things that you need to remember. One, when the share is being issued along with the premium, at the same time, on first and final call, there is calls in arrears. So keeping this in mind, you need to work out this as your assignment question. Over here, the company has issued 1 lakh equity shares. So whenever you're writing the journal entry, please mention equity shares. At the same time, rupees 4 on allotment, rupees 2 on premium. So if 2 rupees is premium, if I add another 2 rupees, the allotment money is 4. Over here, on first and final call, the company has not received money for 1400 shares. So out of 1 lakh shares, you need to reduce 1400 shares. Go ahead and start working out the solution. Till then, take care.